Hello, my name is Thương. This video is my homework 15th and content linking sound. Linking sound includes formants, liaison rule 1, consonant and vowel. My name is because I've LA is in Los Angeles 9025050. Hold on, turn over. Tell her I miss her. Read only. Follow upon. Come in, come on. Call him, call her, sell it, take out, feed away, Emily, and liaison rule 2, consonant and consonant. I didn't get the chance. I've been late twice. Sit down. Check casting and liaison rule 3, vowel and vowel. Do it, go away, USA, too often, show why, do are, and liaison rule 4, THY, what's your name, can't you read? I let you know, don't you like it? Haven't you? No, not yet. And D, Y, and J. Did you see it? How did you like it? Could you tell me? Where did you send your check? And Y and Yes, sure. Bless you. Can you rest yourself? Let him get your car for you. And Y. How's your family? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? Where's your birthday? When's your birthday? Take him. Gave her. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time. The video.